Corteva is a global pure-play agriculture company. We specialize in seeds, biotechnology, crop protection products, and delivering innovative solutions for farmers across the world.
Our customers are really diverse. We work with farmer and user customers, but we also work with channel and retail partners. But at the end of the day, we're a very farmer-centric organization. Our main goals are to get closer to the farmer and to be easier to do business with. We need to better understand our customers' needs and what they're looking to do in the future so we can deliver upon those goals. Marketing technology is setting the stage for us to accomplish that.
When our websites were first built 6 or 7 years ago, most of our customers and traffic were coming from a desktop device. As time has progressed, 60 to 80% of our traffic is coming from mobile. We've really started to develop a lot of tech debt. We have over 130 websites. We've built out over 330 custom components.
Corteva's main goal was to move from their on-prem AEM instance onto AEM as a cloud service. It removes the need for their teams to have to go through the legacy modernization, upgrade approach that was very time-intensive as well as cost-intensive. In just the last few months, since we've launched, we've actually realized about $120,000 in cost savings in just those maintenance cost loans.
There was over 10,000 web pages that were part of that migration. That work set the foundation for what we want to do moving forward.
With Adobe's help, with professional services as well as ultimate success, we could make sure that as we migrated, we were trying to avoid as much business impact as possible. We were able to migrate everything into the cloud in 11 months. We completed the project a month and a half early. Adobe Experience Manager has been the most flexible and easy to learn out of all the content management systems.
Two things were top of mind for them. They wanted to improve the health of their analytics instance, and they also wanted to drive greater levels of personalization. So we really partnered with them to find out where they might have gaps with their own skills, with the technology, and then proactively put together a plan where we drove health of analytics. In particular with analytics, they had data quality concerns, so we worked with them to remove duplication across their instance, which improved the health of their analytics instance.
If you look at the CRM systems we're using, some of the data and analytics that we're pulling from customers and how they interact with our company, we can start to really personalize the message and the approach to the customer. Saves them time, but it also is much more efficient for us as well.
As we modernize our platform, we are implementing a new design system which will help speed to market, it will help scalability, and it will help really meet the business needs that we have today.
Think of it like a design library, component library that lives on their web. So all of their designers, their agencies, their marketers, their technology teams could go to this design system and really see how all these components, these templates within Experience Manager could live in a real-life scenario. They can play with breakpoints, different aspect ratios, and they could then see how our components that we built can achieve their experience needs that they're looking for. So we're introducing Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target across their different experiences so that we're able to generate and glean the right customer insights to feed into our data platforms to drive that personalized journey experience.
The more profile information we have, the more personalized we can get and deliver something of higher value to our customer. Adobe has been huge for us. I've truly enjoyed the relationship that we've had with Adobe. And one thing I think Adobe brings to the table is just consistency, disciplined approach, transparency throughout the whole process.
We have a clear understanding of what our outcomes are, what we're trying to achieve, and we can have faster development times. As a business need arises, we can continue to push the business forward and get new features, new capabilities completed when they're needed.
So performance, scalability, usability, those are all things that the foundation has been built for. Farmers are looking to feed over 2 billion more people over the next 25 years. Us being able to enable and help enable that is what's really exciting and gets me going every day.